Hello everyone, I am Nilesh Bhojware. Today I am going to present a short story on the topic lesson learned from a delayed government IT projects. The story is based on realistic scenario that shows how even government projects can fail if proper software management practices are not followed. A few years ago, a state government launched a project to digitize land records across multiple districts. The main objective was to improve transparency, reduce corruption, and make services faster for citizens. People will no longer need to visit government offices again and again. Instead, they could access their land details online everywhere. To complete this project, a well known IT company was hired and the deadline was fixed at the 18 month with a strict budget. In the beginning, everything looked very smooth and well organized. Meetings were conducted regularly, plans were created, and the project team was confident about completing the work on time. There was excitement among both government officials and developers, and this project had the potential to benefit millions of citizens. But after few months, problems slowly started appearing. The biggest issue was unclear requirements. Government officials were not completely sure about what features they want in this system. They keep suggesting changes, sometimes adding new features, sometimes modifying existing ones, and sometimes even asking for redesign. This created confusion among the development team. Developer had to redo the same work multiple times, which wasted effort and reduced the productivity. Another major problem was poor communication between the stakeholders. There was a gap between technical team and government authorities. Uh, info, uh, Important information was not shared on time, and misunderstanding became so common. Approvals were delayed, meetings were postponed, and decision making became slow. The project also suffered from poor planning and unrealistic estimation. The team underestimated for complexity of digitizing old land records. Many records were incomplete or inconsistent, damaged, which made the project difficult and the process difficult. Technical challenges increased and the team struggled to meet deadlines. Another serious mistake was the lack of risk management. No backup plans were created to handle unexpected problems. So, whenever issue occurred, the team was unprepared and lost more time in solving them. Months passed, deadlines were missed, and the budget kept increasing. The project started losing its momentum, and public pressure increased on the government. Finally, the system was launched, but it was delayed and lacked several important features. However, this project provided some important lessons. So, requirements should always be clearly defined before development begins. Effective communication between all stakeholders is essential. Proper planning and realistic estimation helps avoid delays. Risk management is necessary to handle unexpected problems. Also, modern practices like agile method and can help manage frequent changes and improve overall project efficiency. From technical perspective, this project lacked proper SDLC implementation, which is software development lifecycle implementation, especially in the requirement analysis and planning. Also, agile methodology was not used, which could have helped manage changing requirements through continuous feedback. Additionally, risk management and tools like Gantt chart were missing, which led to poor tracking and delays. Including these practices could have improved the project success. In conclusion, although the project faced delays and challenges, it became a valuable learning experience. This lesson can help improve future government IT projects and ensure better success. Thank you.